Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm going to be showing you all how I make this delicious Nigerian fried rice. Here are some of the ingredients I'm going to be using to make this fried rice. Note you don't see peas and sweet corn here, but that's something I'll be adding later on. I forgot to show you here. To begin, I'm going to season the chicken with some chicken seasoning, thyme, onion powder, salt, curry powder, baking soda. Baking soda is optional. I use it because I use chicken breast in this recipe, and that helps to keep the chicken tender and moist when it's cooked. Stir together. And also I'm going to be adding, I totally forgot, but I'm going to add it now. That's mixed ginger and garlic. Mix together and set this aside for 15 to 20 minutes to marinate. Next, season the prawns with a little bit of chicken seasoning and pepper. And start to combine. Also add a little bit of garlic paste. Stir and set this aside for later. I'm also going to season all my veg. So into a large mixing bowl, combine all the veggies and season with some vegetable or chicken seasoning, thyme, curry powder, white pepper or black pepper, salt to taste. Combine gently. Cover and let marinate for 15 to 20 minutes. Can I also say, when you're adding your veggies, add a sweet corn and peas. I did mine off camera. Heat up some oil in a large pot. Add your thoroughly washed rice. With a wooden spoon, stir to combine. I use 1 teaspoon of vegetable oil and 1 teaspoon of fat from the chicken stock. Then season with some chicken seasoning, thyme, curry powder, and white pepper. Stir to combine. At this point, you want to stir fry the rice on medium to high heat for 5 minutes. Be careful so it doesn't burn. That's what mine is looking like after 5 minutes. Now I'm adding chicken stock. Depending on the rice you're using, you might want to add more or less water or stock. I've used 2.5 cups of stock for 3 cups of rice, and that's Golden Sela Tilda Basmati. It's parboiled as well. Cover and leave to cook until al dente. In a large wok or frying pan, heat up 1 tablespoon of oil and fry the chicken we seasoned earlier. Mine took roughly about 8 minutes, but fry until it's fully cooked. So once it's fried and brown on all sides, take it off the heat. Also in the same pan, fry your bacon. If using bacon, of course. Bacon is totally optional, but I love the smoky flavor it adds to the fried rice. Notice also I didn't add extra oil to fry the bacon, and that's because bacon contains a lot of fat. And we're going to see that in a minute. See? That's a lot of fat. So once fried, take it off the heat. Now we're going to fry our prawns. Be careful not to fry the prawns for too long. 2 to 3 minutes max. Otherwise it becomes tough and rubbery. So 2 minutes I'd say, and take it off the heat to use later. Now in the same pan, add some chopped onions. Fry for 1 minute on medium heat. Then add minced garlic and fry for 30 seconds. Add the veggies we seasoned earlier. Combine together. Oh yeah, that's my sweet corn and peas. Add the fried chicken, fried liver or kidney, bacon if using bacon, prawns, and combine all these lovelies together. At this point, our rice should be perfectly cooked. So we're going to check up on that now. Fluff up with fork. Now add the rice to the veg and gently combine together on a medium to high heat. Fry this for 5 minutes. Lastly, add spring onion. Combine and fry for 1 minute on high heat. Be careful so it doesn't burn. And at this point, our fried rice is completely ready. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please like, share and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you.